Welcome to our AMS channel King. Today discuss topic complex numbers second year syllabus 2A. Very important SAQ problems. Previous video already discussed 4 important questions. Now fifth problem in complex number important problem. Show that the 4 points in the organ diagram represented by the complex numbers 2 plus I, 4 plus 3i, 2 plus 5i, 3i are the vertices of the square. So this is the previous annual examination question, that is March 2025. Solution. Given points in the organ diagram here are first one 2 plus I, that is A of 2 comma 1. Second complex number 4 plus 3i, that is point form B of 4 comma 3. Next one C 2 comma 5 and D real part value is 0, imaginary part value is 3. So D point is 0 comma 3. So this is the diagram. Now here A point is 2 comma 1, B point is 4 comma 3, C point is 2 comma 5, so D point is 0 comma 3. Here prove that given vertices of a square. What is the concept of the square? 4 sides are equal, that is AB is equal to BC, BC is equal to CD, CD is equal to DA. And also diagonals also equal. So here what is the diagonals here? AC one diagonal, BD another diagonal. So AC is equal to BD. Now first here find the value AB. Here now using the formula, the distance between 2 points formula, under root of A point is 2 comma 1, B point is 4 comma 3. Now AB 2 minus 4 whole square plus next 1 minus 3 whole square is equal to under root of 2 minus 4 whole square value is minus 2 whole square, minus 2 whole square value is 4, 1 minus 3 value is minus 2, minus 2 whole square value also 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to root 8. Next now find the value BC. BC is equal to under root of 4 minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square is equal to under root of 4 minus 2 whole square value is 4 minus 2 value is 2, 2 square value is 4, 3 minus 5 value is minus 2, minus 2 whole square value also 4, 4 plus 4 value is 8, root 8. Now find CD. CD value is here 2 minus 0 whole square plus 5 minus 3 whole square is equal 2 minus 0 whole square value is 2 square, 2 square value is 4, 5 minus 3 value is 2, 2 square value also 4 is equal to root 8. Next now find DA. So here now observe D point is 0 comma 3, A point is 2 comma 1. Simply 0 minus 2 whole square without formula plus 3 minus 1 whole square. Here minus 2 whole square value is 4 plus 3 minus 1 whole value is 2, 2 square value also 4 under root of 8. Next now find diagonals. First diagonal is what? AC. AC is equal to under root of A value is 2 comma 1, C point is 2 comma 5. Now here find AC. 2 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 5 whole square is equal to 2 minus 2 value is 0, 0 whole square value also 0. Next 1 minus 5 value is minus 4, minus 4 whole square value is 16, under root of 16 value is 4. Next now find another diagonal BD. BD is equal to under root of 4 minus 0 whole square plus 3 minus 3 whole square. 4 minus 0 value is 4, 4 square value is 16, 3 minus 3 value is 0, 0 whole square value is 0, under root of 16 value is 4. Now clearly AB value is root 8, BC value also root 8, CD value also root 8, DA value also root 8. BC, CD, DA is equal root 8. And also diagonals AC is equal to BD is equal to 4. So 4 sides are equal and 2 diagonals equal. So that is given 4 points represents a square. This is a very important problem. Next question, one of the important question. Show that the points in the organ plane represented by the complex numbers -2 plus 7i, -3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into I, -4 3i, 7 by 2 of 1 plus I are the vertices of rhombus. So this is very important question, repeated question, March 2024, March 2020, May 2018, March 2016, 15 question. So solution. Now given here, prove that given points are rhombus. That is 4 sides are equal and also 2 diagonals are not equal. So given points in the organ plane are first point -2, 7, second point B is -3 by 2, 1 by 2, third complex number 4 minus 3i, that point is 4, -3, third complex number 7 by 2 of 1 plus I, value is 7 by 2 plus 7 by 2 into I, that point value is 7 by 2, 7 by 2. Now find side values, that is AB. AB is equal to under root of -2 into minus plus 3 by 2 whole square plus 7 minus 1 by 2 whole square, 7 minus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to under root of -2 into 2. Here LCM value is 2, -2 into 2 value is -4, -4 plus 3 value is -1, -1 by 2 whole square, plus 7 2s are 14, 14 minus 1 value is 13, 13 by 2 whole square. Now here -1 by 2 whole square value is 1 by 4, plus 13 whole square value is 169, 2 whole square value is 4. Here LCM value is 4, 1 plus 169 value is 1 plus 169 by 4, that value is under root of 170 by 4. AB value is under root of 170 by 4. Next another one BC. Here now side BC value. B point is -3 by 2, 1 by 2. C point is 4, -3. Here using the distance formula, -3 by 2 -4 whole square, 1 by 2 minus into minus plus 3 whole square is equal to under root of, here LCM value is 2, -3, 4 2s are 8, -3 minus 8 value is -11 by 2 whole square, plus here LCM value is 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 2 whole square. Now here -11 whole square value is 121 by 4, 7 by 2 whole square value is 49 by 4. Here also LCM value is 4, numerator value is 121 plus 49, this value also 170 by 4. Next third side value is CD. CD is equal under root of, C point is 4, -3, D point is 7 by 2, 7 by 2. So here distance, here using distance formula, 4 minus 7 by 2 whole square plus minus 3 minus 7 by 2 whole square. Here also same. Here LCM value is 2. Numerator value is 4 to the 8. 8 minus 7 1 by 2 whole square. Plus here LCM value also 2. Numerator value is minus 3 into 2 value is minus 6. Minus 7 value is minus 13 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 whole square value is 1 by 4. Minus 13 whole square value is 169. 2 square value is 4. Here also LCM value is 4. Numerator value is 1 plus 169. Your answer is under root of 170 by 4. Next another side value dA. dA is equal. D point is 7 by 2 comma 7 by 2. A value is minus 2 comma 7. Here minus 2 minus 7 by 2 whole square plus 7 minus 7 by 2 whole square. Here now LCM value is 2. Minus 2 into 2 minus 4. Minus 4 minus 7 value is minus 4. Minus 7 value is minus 11 by 2 whole square. Plus so here also LCM value is 2. 7 to the 14. 14 minus 7 value is 7. 7 by 2 whole square. Under root of minus 11 whole square value is 121. By 2 square value is 4. 7 square value is 49. 2 square value is 4. Here LCM value is 4. Numerator value is 121 plus 49 is equal under root of 170 by 4. So 4 side values are equal. AB is equal under root of 170 by 4. Similarly BC also same, CD also same, DA also same. 4 sides are equal. Now here find diagonals. AC. One diagonal is AC. A point is what? Minus 2 comma 7. C point is 4 comma minus 3. So here using distance formula minus 2 minus 4 whole square plus 7 minus into minus plus 7 plus 3 whole square is equal to under root of minus 2 minus 4 value is minus 6. Minus 6 whole square value is 36. 7 plus 3 value is 10. 10 whole square value is 100. Is equal 100 plus 36 value is 136. Next another diagonal BD. BD is equal to under root of B value is minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 7 by D value is 7 by 2 comma 7 by 2. Here using distance formula minus 3 by 2 minus 7 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 minus 7 by 2 whole square. Now here LCM value is 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 7 by 2. Here LCM value is 2. Numerator value is minus 3 minus 7. Minus 3 minus 7 value is minus 10. Minus 10 by 2 value is minus 5 whole square. Here also LCM value is 2. Numerator value is 1 minus 7. 1 minus 7 value is minus 6. Minus 6 by 2 value is minus 3. Minus 3 whole square. Here minus 25 whole square value is 25. Minus 3 whole square value is 9. Under root of 25 plus 9 value is 34. Clearly AC not equal to BD. Clearly AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. 4 sides are equal. And also AC not equal to BD. That is nothing but diagonals are not equal. So given points ABCD forms a rhombus. So 4 sides are equal and also 2 diagonals are not equal. So given points forms a rhombus. Hence Freud. And diagram వేస్తా అంటే వేయండి, నో ప్రాబ్లం. డయాగ్రామ్ ఈ మోడల్లో ఉంటుంది. రఫ్గా వేసాను. A, B, C, D. 4 sides are equal and 2 diagonals are not equal. Okay. Thank you.